Hey everybody, welcome to Medling World. I am currently walking down Main Street, USA. Take a look. And look, I borrowed Jake's umbrella. Yeah, what else is new? It's currently raining. Today we decided to try a little challenge in the rain to see if we can pull this off. It's called the Mountain Challenge. So there's 3 rides. You got Space Mountain, you've got Splash Mountain, and then you have the Thunder Railroad. So we got a little break in the rain for a second, so I think the best way to accomplish this mountain challenge is to get right over the Big Thunder Railroad before the rain starts again, because, hey, maybe we'll have that little break where it's open. It does usually close down in the inclement weather, so we're gonna head over there and let's see if we can get on that one first. So you guys just saw the Singing in the Rain parade came by with some of our favorite Disney characters. So that is always an option on a rainy day. So we made it over here to Big Thunder Mountain Railroad for our first ride on the Mountain Challenge, and it is open even though it's raining. It's a 10-minute standby, so this is essentially a walk-on. So we're gonna go ahead, we're gonna walk on, and we're gonna get the first one out of the way. Let's do it. So guys, we just did our first challenge, Thunder Mountain Railroad, and now we have 2 more to go. We're going over to Splash Mountain next, and then we're gonna hit Space Mountain. So the weather is letting up a little bit, which is cooperating here at least for Thunder Mountain. Let's go check out Splash Mountain and let's do that one next. This one was a lot of fun. I love this. I'm getting so used to it. I don't get sick anymore or anything like that. So I recommend, as long as you're tall enough to ride it, enjoy it. All right, everybody, we're getting ready now. Splash Mountain, the second of the 3. I love going on Splash Mountain on a rainy day. How about you guys?
Yeah.
What is this, number 2?
That's number 2. Yeah.
Number 2 of the Mountain Challenge. I love it, everybody. Remember, everybody, if you're enjoying Medling World, please take a second, hit the subscribe button, talk to your friends, talk to your neighbors, get them to subscribe if you can to Medling World, because when you subscribe, it helps us move up the charts. We love all our subs. That was fun. Well, there you have it. That's 2 Mountain Challenge rides that we have completed. And you know what? The rain stopped. So I think we picked good timing to come on these outdoor attractions. And guess what? We got to get over to Space Mountain next. And we already had completed this. This is awesome. Okay, so let's do a little assessment of the first 2 rides we went on of the Mountain Challenge, right? So let's start with Thunder Mountain. I'll give my opinion about Thunder Mountain. I think it's awesomely themed, right? The theme is really cool. It's got like that Arizona look, right? All the red rock. Really, really awesome.
It's a long ride. It's like a little bit longer than regular rides.
It is a pretty long, for a roller coaster, it is. But it's not a extremely beat you up roller coaster. It's kind of a really fun roller coaster. It goes a little fast. There's a couple little, I call them whoop-de-doos, but it's pretty neat the way it's themed, and people seem to really enjoy it, right?
Yes.
Okay, so I'm gonna say that's definitely a fun ride. What about Splash Mountain?
Oh yeah, that's on the top. Splash Mountain is really cool.
Yeah, I love Splash Mountain, man. Splash Mountain, just, I could go on that every time I come to Magic Kingdom.
Yeah, Splash Mountain is like...
It is a lot of fun. It's almost relaxing, right?
Well, you may get wet, so keep in mind.
Yeah. You probably will get wet.
Yeah.
But at the same time, there's so many parts of it where you can hear the nice songs and just to be able to relax. And then you have that nice downhill at the end, right?
Yeah.
And also, themed really cool.
Yeah.
So far, we are not disappointed with this Mountain Challenge. Jake, what do you think?
Yeah, the rides are super cool.
Jake says super cool. And also, I have a full POVs of both of those rides. So go into the description of this video, click on the links, and you can go and see the entire ride. Thunder Mountain Railroad and also Splash Mountain. We're heading over to Tomorrowland.
Yeah.
It's time to ride Space Mountain. Let's go. We're walking through now Tomorrowland. And right over there, I see another statue that we missed in our last vlog because it wasn't out yet. If you want to see the golden 50th anniversary statues here at Magic Kingdom, I'll put another link in this vlog for you guys. Click on that. We did a vlog with all of the statues, and we're going to finish it off right now. And I can't wait to show you. Any guesses? We're in Tomorrowland. You got a couple seconds, make your guess, because I'm going to show you who we found. I hope you made your guesses. Here we go. We got Stitch. Check him out. Oh, wow, he's biting on the 50th medallion, huh? Is that what he's doing? Look how awesome he is. He's right over here in Tomorrowland. Right by the laugh floor. Monsters Inc. Pretty cool. So we decided to have a little snack before we go on Space Mountain. Look at that, it's popcorn with the 50th anniversary. Well, it's a disposable bucket, but if you guys have a popcorn bucket, don't forget to bring it when you come. We always bring ours, we put it right in our backpack, and you just show them the bucket and you get a refill for it for $2. And this one's pretty cool. Show it to you one more time. And then just to give you a little information about Space Mountain. Now, you're not going to be able to see a lot of the video in Space Mountain because it's very dark in Space Mountain, right? You guys know, I mean, even if you've never been here, you always hear about Space Mountain and it's pitch black, right? So we'll do our best maybe to show you a little bit of us kind of in the beginning where there's a little bit of light, and then of course coming out we'll give you a little review, but there won't be a lot of footage in there because like I said, it is completely dark. But we're getting ready, we're gonna have a little popcorn and we're going in. We're over here at Space Mountain. We're ready to complete our mountain challenge, but we thought there might be one more ride here at the Magic Kingdom that we could consider a mountain ride. So stay tuned right after Space Mountain and find out which one we're gonna add to our mountain challenge. Can't wait to show you. Start guessing. You could probably figure it out if you've been here before. awesome, man. Space Mountain. We completed the Mountain Challenge. How do you guys feel about the Mountain Challenge?
Yeah, I loved it.
Roberta?
This is my least favorite one.
This is my most favorite one.
You know what? I had a little bit, I was leaning towards Splash Mountain, but I'm going with Jake. Space Mountain was my favorite one out of the Mountain Challenge. Well, we thought we were gonna end the vlog, but I told you before, we have another ride, right guys, that we wanna add on to our Mountain Challenge, because honestly, we like conquered the Mountain Challenge without really spending a lot of time, right? So we're gonna add one on. As soon as we get there, we're gonna let you know, but I'll give you a hint. Look what direction we're going. All right? You probably already have guessed we're on our way there. Let's see if we can get it in before the rain starts. So it is the 4 Mountain Challenge. I just noticed, guys, from my first from the previous vlog with the golden statues, remember we were wondering about what the Cheshire Cat was sitting on? It did not have the 50th symbol on there, right, last time, Roberta? So there it is. So that is what it will look like. Awesome. So if you guys recognize that track right there, you know we are including the mine train as our bonus challenge in the Mountain Challenge today. So yes, we are gonna go on the mine train, and there it goes, around it goes. Hopefully we'll get through the queue before it starts raining and be able to add this one on. Here on Medling World, we always like to have a shout out for an awesome cast member here at Disney World, and today it was Sean. He is actually in the Disney College program. He's working guest services. Really nice guy, had a nice conversation with him, and one of the questions I asked him is, hey, you work here, you hear a lot during the week, is it still fun to come on your day off and hang out and do all the stuff? And he said absolutely. So that's always something I wonder, right? You work here, is it still cool to hang out? And he said he has a ball, he comes with friends, and they do all kinds of fun stuff because there's so many parks he can go to. So shout out to Sean, guest services, awesome guy. If you see him, tell him hello.
So they know that once they go inside, give you a call.
Looks like we made it.
So we did what, the 3 Mountain Challenge with a bonus mountain, because we're just gonna throw in the mine train, because to me it's a mountain. You agree with that, Roberta?
Yeah, it is.
All right, so let's wrap up this vlog. Listen, we did the 4, and to me, I don't know, I love the mine train, man. What about you?
I love the mine train too. It's awesome.
Jake, let's see what Jake's opinion is. It may be different, I don't know. Jake?
Mine train is super cool, but I like Space Mountain better.
You heard it there, so we have some different opinions, but I'm close with the Space Mountain with Jake. Space Mountain is awesome. Thank you everybody for watching Medling World. We appreciate your support with our channel. Please, just take a second if you haven't yet and subscribe to our channel, Medling World. When you subscribe, it really helps us out a lot. We love our subs. Help us move up that queue on the YouTube search. And hey, everybody, come in for a minute. We got to tell them something. See ya!